Hey everyone, Lunapony here, and I'm here with another pack opening. So, I actually just got back from Costco. Well, two Costco's, had a limit of two per customer. And I got all four of the Commander kits for Final Fantasy. Yeah, let me just, 14, 8, wait, 7, 10, and 6. Yeah, they each come with the deck, 4 promos. They're all the same promo from like the starter set, and 2 packs of cards each. So I'll be opening up all those packs. So I'm gonna get these unwrapped, and I'll be right back. Okay, so slight correction to what I said before. There are 8 booster packs. However, there are also 4 collector booster sampler packs. So I'll be opening all of these. I'll save the collector booster samples for last. So I'm gonna switch over to my pack opening cam. Bear with me, it's a new setup, so it's not exactly the best. Like, may take some time to properly angle everything. I'm using an older webcam for this, so it's not quite as maneuverable as my normal one. Anyway, here we go. Come on. Okay. Pack 1. Again, apologies for the angle. Okay, starting off with a hero and treasure token. I'll put those off to the side. Let me move my mouse. Okay. Got a Chocobo Kick. Dreams of Laguna. Magitech Infantry. Warrior Sword. Ooh, cornered by Black Mages. That's a nice one. White Auracite. Ooh, the Giant of Babel through the Ages card. Okay. Trample and just tap doesn't untap, and he casts a historic spell, untap Giant of Babel. So, good for a Joda deck, I guess, or Paradox Engine. A Delivery Moogle. A Poo Poo UFO. Black Waltz number 3. Getting those mages here. Vanille Cheerful as Sea. Another Excalibur 2. Iridia's Return. And a Mountain. Unfortunate that I got a dupe already, so... Oh well, there's 7 more packs, so hopefully I can get something good. Okay, starting off with a Hero and Robot Warrior token. Flip over. Okay, Mysidian Elder, more mages. Shinran Reinforcements. Summon Fat Chocobo. Sage's Newliths. Weapons Vendor, decent for any equipment-based deck. Laughing Mad. Red card draw, not bad. Vane's Treachery. Golbez, Clad in Darkness, aka Sir Conrad of the Grim, or Sir Conrad the Grim. Whenever another creature dies or a creature card is put into the graveyard from anywhere other than the battlefield, or a creature card leaves your graveyard, Golbez deals 1 damage to each opponent, and you can pay 1 and a black and make each player mill a card. Got an unexpected request. Travel the Overworld. Oron's Inspiration. Ooh, Squall Seed. I have this already. What the hell? Another dupe. Yeah, Squall Seed Mercenary for my rare. Retrieve the Esper. And a Vector Imperial Capital. Yeah, so far I'm not having much luck on the rares. Like, I already got those two already from the pre-release kit. And I wish I could zoom in with this camera, but it's so old it doesn't have that feature. Okay, so for the token, I have a Robot Warrior and a Sephiroth One-Winged Angel. Nice. Speaking of Sephiroth, I have Sephiroth's Intervention, Gigantoad, Book Turret, Aerith Rescue Mission, Blazing Bomb, Adventurer's N, Bane Karuda Solidor, aka Finn the Fangbearer. Basically, he's a death touch that whenever you hit someone with a death touch creature, they get 2 poison counters. Pretty decent for poison decks. Zack Fair, Summon Esperama, Elixir, Ultimecia Time Sorceress, Baltherian Fran. Okay, that's a new one. I don't have that yet. A Balam T-Rexar, and an island. Okay, finally getting somewhere. Come on. Oh, I got an art series card. Ah, Genova. Nice. And I already spoiled myself for what the rare is. Or, I think rare. Anyway, I have a fight on. Gisal Greens. Magic Damper. Cloudbound Moogle. Summon Guardian Force Ifrit, whatever. White Mage's Staff. Instant Ramen. Samurai's Katana. Restoration Magic. Titus Blitzball Star, so I have both Tituses now. Ooh, Summoner's Grimoire. I like that. Nice. Ooh. Okay, Kuja Genome Sorcerer. Now I got all my black mages. Well, I don't have a Vivi, but, here's hoping. And a Valkyrie aerial unit, along with a Trino Dark City. I'm going to pause this recording for a moment to rest my arms, because holding the cards like that kind of hurts after a while. Okay, next pack. Got a hero token, as well as a wizard. That'll be good, with all the wizard stuff I've gotten. Okay, got a blazing bomb. Fight on. Gisal Greens. Magic Damper. Cloudbound Moogle. Ooh, Blitzball! Yay, Mana Rock! Iron Giant. That was a good movie. Grahatia. A Tonberry. Zidane Tantalus Thief. X-Death Void Warlock. Ooh, Genova Ancient Calamity. Cool. Got a Summon Anima. And gone, Town of Ruin. Okay, next pack. You can tell I don't really have a proper setup for this, but I make do with what I have. Okay, art series. It's a, ooh, has like is it like a signature or whatever in foil? I don't know what this is. Part of me wants to say Final Fantasy XIV. But yeah, it's a really nice art card. Okay, for the actual cards, I have a Warrior's Sword, cornered by Black Mages, Gabu Gardener, Scorpion Sentinel, Coeurl, Call of the Mountain Chocobo, Iron Giant, another Giant of Babel, Ether, Choco Comet, Diamond Weapon. Ooh, nice! The Darkness Crystal! I wanted this one. Yeah, this is a really good hit. A Foil Sephiroth's Intervention, and a Swamp. 2 more regular packs left. Then it'll be on to the collector samples. Okay, for our token, we have Burb and another hero. Okay, so I got a Coral, Call the Mountain Chocobo, Quira Ferayer, Agabu Gardener, Scorpion Sentinel, Adventurer's N, another Iron Giant, Battle Menu, Thief's Knife, Gladiolus Amicidia, X-Death Void Warlock, another Squall Seed Mercenary, Side Quest Hunt the Mark, and a Mountain. Geez, 2 Squalls. That's bad luck. I almost have a whole playset of Squall. Anyway, last pack. Here's hoping I pull something good. Okay, another Art Series card. Got a Red 13. Nice. Okay, regular cards. Dragoon's Wyvern. Cloudbound Moogle. Suplex. Namazu Trader. Airship Crash. Crossroads Village. Laughing Mad. Dragoon's Lance. Colossus Behemoth. Giat, King of the Dwarves. Fang Fearless Sea. So I can meld her and Vanille. I have both halves now. And summoned Guardian Force Cerberus, so for the wizard deck. And a Resentful Revelation, along with another Gone Town of Ruin. Okay, I'm gonna rest my arms again before I do the last 4 packs, so I'll be right back. Okay, 4 Collector Booster Sample Packs. Let's get started. Okay, got the Warring Triad, but I have that from the Structure deck. And a Hildebrand Manderville. So, nothing to really write home about here. Okay, pack 2. Got a Dancer's Chakram, and a Sin Unending Cataclysm. Hey, aren't those also in the Structure decks? Is this just like stuff from the structures? If so, I'm kind of disappointed. Okay, got a Helitrooper and a Tataru Taru. Yeah, I had higher hopes for these collector booster sample packs, but it's like, just like extended art of the precons stuff. And a Reaper's Scythe and a Orin Venerated Guardian. Okay, so let me move this. Put that on top. And there we go. Anyway, that was the pack opening for all the booster packs from the Costco collector kit. What was it? Commander kits. Pretty good haul. Got a few decent hits there. Like no Sephiroth, no VV. Like none of the big hits. But, it's pretty decent. Yeah, so I think I'll put this up on the weekend, like the other pack openings. So, yeah, extra content. So anyway, yeah, don't know when the next pack opening will be. Who knows? But yeah, until then, take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.